This is Michael with Reformation Garden, and today I've got a little bit. My last property I was growing sunchokes. I kind of brought them out a little late. I found them in some pots, and they grow in the clay. They're very tiny. They didn't get very big, but yeah, look. And that's probably all I'll get from one plant. This is the biggest one so far out of the 6 that I've dug up. So yeah, sunchokes grow in the clay. Not very well, so basically the more you improve the soil, the bigger these will become. Alright, thanks for watching.